Sanu, you are again enthusiast back again. Nice to see you all. Today, I'm sharing some of the most exciting new items from IKEA's spring and summer collection. We'll be looking at not just individual products, but also full room sets. So I hope you enjoy it as interior inspiration as well. Here's a desk I really like. Isn't it beautiful? The slim legs and shallow depth give it a lightweight feel, making it a great option even for living rooms. Let's dive right in. We are jumping right into danger here. The danger of impulse buying. Just look at these glasses. Aren't they stunning? The design is amazing and that's cool. Refreshing color is absolutely irresistible. Honestly, I wish IKEA would stop tempting me like this. They come in a set of 4 and are marked as dishwasher safe. I'm guessing they're meant for cold drinks. Now here's a plate I've actually talked about before. The texture is gorgeous. It's truly a beautiful piece. I couldn't resist and ended up buying it. As you can see, it's incredibly thin, even when stacked, which does make it a little tricky to pick up one by one from storage. But the texture and design are just so well done. It's a bit pricier compared to other options, but they're sold as a set of 2. I bought the smaller size myself. What's special is that it's made in Portugal, which you don't see every day. Microwave safe and dishwasher safe as well. This is the kind of size you end up using all the time, right? I had been using promotional plates from a bread company in Japan for years, so I finally decided it was time for an upgrade. Since it's something I use every day, I'm really satisfied with the switch. There are also new releases with elegant, decorative prints. It's nice that these are sold individually too. And here's something I just had to get. This umbrella from the anniversary collection. It might already be low in stock. It was available only in physical stores, not online. Isn't it cute? My old umbrella had broken, and I'd been meaning to get a new one, so I finally bought one at IKEA. The IKEA logo part is actually a reflective strip, which is helpful at night. It's quite large and has an automatic open feature. That said, IKEA umbrellas don't exactly have the best reputation. Have any of you used one? I've heard complaints that they leak, so I want to test this one out myself. The frame, at least, looks really solid. Back to the kitchen section. Here's a beige basket that I've been loving. It's semi-transparent, so you can see what's inside, which is great for snacks or pantry items. It's also very sturdy and can handle heavier use with no problem. Next is one of this season's highlights, the Stockholm collection, including this golden tray. It looks lovely as part of a display and has small silicone feet on the bottom. The compact size makes it easy to incorporate into your space. Just placing a notebook on it makes the setup look elevated. There's another tray in this collection I was interested in, but the real thing it was about 30% bigger than expected. Still, the added feet give it a refined look. It's quite heavy though, so not the most practical tray for carrying things. I'd say it's better suited for display purposes. Here's a dining chair from the theme Stockholm collection. Such a striking design. The matching dining table is also part of the collection. With 3 chairs lined up, you can tell just how large this table is. The seat is covered in leather, giving it a premium look.
And then, this cabinet. It honestly made me gasp.
It's part of the Stockholm collection, made from pine wood and rattan.
The materials are truly top quality. The sliding doors glide open so smoothly. It's surprising.
Even the back panel is finished in rattan, giving it a fully polished look. I think a similar item was in the 2017 Stockholm collection, and that one was fantastic too. This one is sure to sell out quickly. It's rare to see a sliding door cabinet like this, which also works well in tighter dining spaces where chairs are nearby. This room setup features a full Stockholm look, with the cabinet, vases, lighting and mirror all from the collection. I had my eye on that mirror, and seeing it in person,
it's huge and very impressive. The mushroom-shaped lamp also caught my eye.
The shape, and possibly even the pattern, resembles a mushroom. It adds a lot of charm to the space. Inside the cabinet, there was even a wine storage area. It comes with a key lock. The dishes and small accessories are also from the Stockholm collection. You can see the larger version of the plate I mentioned earlier displayed here.
And this pendant light, it has such a beautiful fabric-like texture.
Someone who bought it told me the assembly process takes time. Not difficult, just a lot of steps. Still, it looks great over a dining area. This chair also has a very unconventional design.
At first, I was unsure about the placement of the legs, but the seat was surprisingly comfortable.
This rug is another new piece from the Stockholm collection.
And here is a table lamp in yellow. It's not a bright, bold yellow, more like a warm mustard. The top is covered in fabric,
and the light mostly shines downward. The texture of the fabric shade is beautiful, and it gives the lamp a strong presence. The bulb is sold separately, so you can choose one based on your preferred brightness.
There's another Stockholm table lamp.
This one made of travertine.
I bought it myself and reviewed it in my previous video.
The tricky part with this lamp is choosing the right light bulbs. It actually requires 3 bulbs, which makes it easy to accidentally make the room way too bright. Then, one of my viewers told me they chose dimmable bulbs instead, which I thought was a smart solution. That way, you can avoid ending up with a space that feels as bright as a convenience store.
So yes, be careful when choosing bulbs for this one.
That same room setup also included this candle holder. Seeing the gold finish in person for the first time, it was lovely. It has a good weight to it, which adds elegance to the space. You can flip it over to use it either for a tea light or a tall candle, so it's a versatile two-way design. It comes as a set of 2, and while it's not cheap, the price makes sense.
Honestly, I think it might also work as a pen holder. Just imagine one pen standing in it. It might look surprisingly stylish.
These are already selling out in many stores, so be sure to check availability before heading out. It's already full-on summer at IKEA. That means bold, vibrant colors are starting to appear.
Check this bright green version of the classic Billy bookcase. It's so playful and fresh. If you love colorful interiors, this might be for you.
There are also new blue furniture pieces. One of the dining tables even had a toy octopus centerpiece.
What was that about? It made me smile. The blue PLATSA shelves were marked as discontinued, so act fast if you are interested. That vivid blue is just stunning.
Next came a red shelving unit, also very popular and reportedly hard to find.
And then yellow one.
That shelf with the glass boards
Is from the VITTSJÖ series,
which is well loved for its anchor-style structure and durability. With a few boxes, you can boost its storage capacity while keeping the display aesthetic intact. These types of boxes are very affordable at IKEA and come in many variations,
so I recommend mixing and matching. Now, something that surprised me. New color in the popular TOFTBO bath mat line.
If you're a regular at IKEA, you probably know these. They're made with a bumpy microfiber texture that absorbs water well and doesn't stay soggy. I've been a loyal fan of the gray one, but lately I haven't seen it in stores, which worries me a bit. That said, they've introduced new pink and green versions. Also, I noticed the underside material has changed. It now has a much more secure anti-slip grip. The color options are stylish and the build looks great. One of the reasons I love TOFTBO is that even though it doesn't have a strong, non-slip back, it's easy to fold and wash. Very practical and soft underfoot too. Each year, IKEA releases beach towels for this season, and this year's designs are really appealing. They're thin and quick to dry, so they'd work well as a lap blanket too, not the thick pile type.
Have you seen these new juices at IKEA? In Japan, they are only available in store, not online. So check them out next time you visit. There are 4 flavors. I tried them all.
But taste preferences vary. If I had to choose, I'd say the red one was my favorite. These aren't from concentrate. They're straight juice, so the flavor is really fresh. The orange one was the most tart. Kids might prefer the mango-apple combo, which is less sour. Some come with paper straws, which are a bit fragile. Make sure to hold the base firmly when poking it through the top. By the way, the Japanese version of this channel just turned 3 this May. Thank you so much for all your support.
And for this English channel, I'm very happy to connect with IKEA fans from around the world. I hope you'll stick around. Thank you so much for watching. See you again in the next video very soon.